In this section you have learned the basics. We started with the installation. Simply download Node.js, also download NVM for Windows if you like, if you want to update your Node versions. Type in the right lines and you are ready to rock. If you want to update, of course you know how to do this. And if you want to start in the cloud for free, you also know how to do this. I hope that you have also created your first automation. We started easy. A on-form submission and we can save it in Airtable. We simply pass some data through. We don't need any AI for these. You have learned how you can export and import these files as a JSON format, and you can basically use my workflows. You can play with them a little bit, but it's of course better to make your own workflows so that you can learn it. And as soon as you are a pro, you can also sell them. The next workflow was just to learn how to pass data. It's not really a useful workflow, but you know the time trigger node and you know how to convert your data into, for example, text files and then save them locally. After that, we have connected our Google Sheets. In order to do that, you need the Google Cloud Console. And yes, this is a little bit intimidating, at least at first glance. But as soon as you do this a few times, it's really easier than you think. You just need to do these clicks step by step, so that you can get your client ID and your API key, and you also need to pass the right uDirect URL and give your own email address a few times. And then Google Sheets is connected with n8n. And if you work in the cloud, you can simply click one button and you are ready to go. So basically you have learned a lot, and I want to tell you what learning is. Learning is same circumstances but different behavior. If you did not know how to use this tool until now, if you did not know how to install it, if you did not know how to build your first workflow, right now you know it, and you have only learned if you do it. So please, just try to play with these things a little bit around. This will be important over the next steps, because we will make more complex workflows. But first I want to tell you what good learners do. Of course, they learn together, because more people always know more than few people. And if other people get value out from this course, they will describe the value to you because you have told them, and we have a win-win-win situation. In that manner, thank you, and I see you, of course, in the next section. Because in the next section we start to include LLMs and AI in our automations.